How to play NBA Live Mobile with friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play NBA Live Mobile with friends. If you've been wondering how to team up or compete with your buddies, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the NBA Live Mobile app on your device. So now that it's open, make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen. Once you're in the app, tap on the settings icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. So here from the settings menu, select link account. In the link account section, you'll see options to connect your NBA Live mobile account to social media platforms. I recommend linking your account to Facebook because it's the easiest way to find and connect with your friends who also play the game. And after linking your account to Facebook, your Facebook friends who play NBA Live Mobile will automatically appear in the game. You can now invite them to play, team up, or compete against them in various modes. And once your account is linked and your friends are added, you're all set. You can now enjoy playing NBA Live Mobile with your friends, whether it's teaming up for challenges or facing off in head-to-head matches. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to play NBA Live Mobile with friends.